Gusto mo, puntahan kita, walang kamera, tutukan tayo, walang gloves. Bakit pa kailangan mo ng masyado ka mang masubis? And let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Matagal ko na rin, huwag ka mag-alala, Torre, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Masaya naman ako na na nag-iensayo na si Torre ngayon. Ganito yan. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa ng charity? Why do you need kailangan mo pang gamitin yung nangyayari ngayon na baha dyan sa Metro Manila? Gusto mo, puntahan kita, walang kamera, suntukan tayo, walang gloves. Bakit pa kailangan mo ng masyado ka mang masubis? Well, di ko alam kung if you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga but I cannot be there sa Sunday. I have other things to do. Pero Tuesday, available na ako. Tuesday, Wednesday, but not Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day. Kaya, I think, mas okay para sa'yo kasi mas may oras ka pa para mag-ensayo. Kasi medyo yung pagsuntok mo, pag-jab mo, nakababa ka agad yung kamay mo, kailangan nakadepensa yan sa mukha mo. Pag-jab mo, balik ka agad sa mukha, ha? So, konting advice lang, mag-ensayo ka. I think you've succeeded in the smoke screen that you've provided for this administration. Na una, yung visit ni Marcos na tinatawag nila na a success where we got a 1% reduction of the 20% imposed tariff on us. So, tsaka yung baha dyan, ginagamit mo pa yung demise of the people to divert real issues. So, kung gusto mo talaga, dalawa lang yan. Either puntahan kita, tayo lang dalawa, magsama ka lang ng bodyguard mo para kung may mangyari sa'yo, at least may mag-alsa pa sa'yo sa ospital, tutukan tayo, walang gloves. Or kung gusto mo yon, ganito, these are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. So wag lang Sunday, ilipat mo ng then kung papayag ka sa kondisyon ko, wala problema. Kung if it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that. Matagal ko na rin, huwag ka mag-alala, Torre, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Huwag lang Sunday. Kasi hindi mo nga ako, nagsiset ka ng schedule na hindi mo ako kinakausap ng maayos. Mag-usap tayo ng maayos, tapos yung depensa mo, unakin mo muna. Medyo kapos eh. Okay naman yung suntok mo. May laban. May laban ba? May laban. Oh. Yung push up mo, yung pinakiyod ba? Maganda. Sige. Sige. Kung gusto mo, you tell the president, all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Let it come out of his mouth. Then I will do it. Let's go. Sige. Or, gusto mo, you tell the president, all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Let it come out of his mouth. Then I will do it. Let's go. Sige. Or, yun na. Kung lalaki ka talaga, suntukan tayo. Hindi naman kita hinamon. Sinabi ko talaga, pag nagsuntukan tayo, mabubugbog kita. Hindi kita hinamon, tanga. You're just as stupid as the journalist that asked you. Sige. Oh.
I think, klaro, no? That's your condition also kasi nag-set din siya ng condition.
Hindi naman pwede one-sided.